Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Stable Diffusion with automation for product visuals, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure your system meets the requirements for running Stable Diffusion. Install Python 3.8 or higher if it's not already on your system. Download and install Git if you don't have it. Now let's create a dedicated folder for your Stable Diffusion project. Open your command prompt or terminal. Navigate to the folder you created using the cd command. Clone the Stable Diffusion repository by running git clone https://github.com/compass/stable-diffusion. After cloning, navigate into the cloned repository. Install the necessary dependencies by running pip install our requirements.txt. Next, download the pre-trained models required for Stable Diffusion. You can find the link for the models in the repository's README file. Once downloaded, place the models in the correct directory specified in the repository. Now, let's set up automation for generating product visuals. You can use a simple Python script for this automation. Create a new Python file called generate_images.py. Import the required libraries in your script, including Torch, Transformers, and PIL. Load the Stable Diffusion model in your script. Set up a loop that will allow you to generate multiple images. For each product visual, define the text prompt related to the product. Call the model to generate images based on your prompts. Specify image output parameters such as size and format. Save the generated images in your designated output folder. To automate the process, consider using a task scheduler. On Windows, use Task Scheduler to run your Python script at specified intervals. On macOS or Linux, use cron jobs for automation. Test your setup by running your script manually first. Verify that the generated images appear in your output folder. Adjust text prompts and parameters as necessary for quality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.